welcome back. I'm Mia from Excel Software Solution. So today, I want to share with you how to issue the consolidated invoice using AutoCount Cloud Accounting. Why using AutoCount Cloud Accounting? Because this software can access in any device, anywhere and anytime. As long as you have a web browser that you can access, you can issue the consolidated invoice using the AutoCount Cloud Accounting. So now, let me share you how to issue the consolidated e-invoice. If you want to know how to link the cloud accounting with the MyInvois portal, you can watch the video at the link below. Okay, so for the consolidated invoice, surely you need to maintain your customer. Okay, even though you not maintain your customer, at least you need to maintain one code for cash customer. So here I got add the cash customer over here, and no need to maintain any information. Just leave it blank for all the tax information, all the address, just leave it blank. Okay, and then save. Okay, so if you wonder how to go to this page, you go to this master data, customer. Okay, and also consolidated invoice is also applied to those B2B business. Okay, not only for the B2C, business to consumer. For B2B, let's say your customer is not require e-invoice. Okay, you also can maintain the information here. Let's say for this Syarikat Pulang Bintang, I got maintain the customer info, but I didn't maintain the tax entity because the customer maybe they are exempted. Okay, they do not need the e-invoice, so I do not need to maintain the tax entity. Okay, so now let's go to the next part, which is issue the invoices. So you go to sales and then invoice, and then here you create new, and then you choose the customer, cash customer, and then I choose the product code, and then simply click approve. Make sure you click approve, only save the document. Okay, so the system will prompt, e-invoice is not submitted due to the missing tax entity in the document. You may add the tax entity in this document to allow submit e-invoice, or you may use consolidated e-invoice function to submit invoice for this document. Okay, so just click OK. Okay, you can slide to the right and you can see there is no e-invoice status because this one I do not submit as standard e-invoice. Okay, let us create another one. Okay, let's say I also have another cash customer. There are some items. I add another one. And then I simply click approve. Yes, sorry, 022. And approve. Okay, then let's say I have another customer. Okay, just click cash customer, and let's say customer buy another item but I didn't have in this list. I just click add to add the item. Let's say I am selling pencil. Then fixed price is 3 ringgit and unit is unit. E-invoicing classification code is 022. Save. Okay, after add the item and then I simply click approve. Okay, what if after customer bought this pencil and then customer come back, I want e-invoice? No worries, you just simply click this arrow and then you click edit. Okay, I bought the pencil. Let's say this customer requests for e-invoice. Okay, you see we have a column here called tax entity. So you can click the tax entity here to add on the tax entity for your customer. Okay, there are two ways. Either you want to manually key in over here, either they are business, individual or government, you just update. If let's say it's business, update the business registration number and click this blue button to search the thing from the MyInvois portal. And then you need to fill up the address, postcode, city, state, country, phone and email. Okay, if let's say for individual, they have a different column to fill up. Okay, or you may use another function which is upload QR. So the upload QR is the customer got generated the QR code from their MyInvois portal that stored their tax entity information. Okay, so after you fill up, you will submit as standard e-invoice. But what if customer want to cancel? I want to cancel this purchase, so you just simply click void. Yes, so maybe cancel purchase void. Okay, and then it will show the void function status at here. Let's say you got another customer come. And then this customer also bought another pencil. Okay, and then simply click approve. Okay, now after key in all the transactions from your daily operations, to submit the consolidated e-invoice, you need to wait until the end of the month. Okay, when you want to submit is between 1st until 7th of the calendar days of the next month. Okay, so the calendar days is include Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so now when to issue the consolidated invoice, you need to go here, Malaysia e-invoice, and then consolidate e-invoice. And then you click new. You need to filter the date for the whole month lah. So I put until 28th February. Click OK. And then if you want to see what is the amount of the transactions in this consolidated e-invoice, you click view. Okay, so system will auto fill up the classification code for your consolidated e-invoice. And then for the description, system will use the invoice reference number. You can see here is from invoice 46 until invoice 47. And then next row is invoice 49. Some of you might question, where is invoice 48? So invoice 48 is either it is already voided or already submitted as standard e-invoice. Okay, so once all the amount is correct, you just click save and then create. Yes. And then you may see now the status is pending. Within 2 seconds, you can get the valid status. Done. Okay, so it's easy, right? So what are you waiting for? Come get the AutoCount Cloud Accounting, and it is free for e-invoicing. Okay. If you want to know more about this AutoCount Cloud Accounting for e-invoicing purpose, you can contact us through WhatsApp or email below. Okay.